We've already talked a lot about indicators and different trading strategies in my previous videos, but those always need to be practiced. So today I'm gonna show you a few trades with their in-depth analysis that could help you to understand the market and its movements a bit better. Leave comments about what patterns you've seen this week, and let's start.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
If we look at the 3-minute time frame of our first example, it becomes clear that we have a downtrend here. The market was going down, then slowed down, and the bulls took the initiative and led the chart to this level, and then it kept plummeting. What we see now is a bearish flag pattern, while MACD and stochastic are beginning to cross each other. So we can be sure to bet down for 3 minutes. The bulls tried to regain the initiative, so I got a bit worried at the last moment, but the trade did turn a profit anyway, and the chart continued to go down, as you can see on your screen. The next chart shows us a gradual curve with the market getting ready to turn around, and our indicators telling us the same thing. It's the alligator that helps us most here. On the 1-minute time frame, we see that its lines start crossing each other, signaling the eventual movement down. So we buy a put option that expires in 5 minutes and wait. Here we pinpoint the trend line and the level of resistance the market is going towards on the 1-minute time frame. What we have here is a strong downtrend, and while the chart hasn't reached the lowest point yet, it keeps going down. So the only thing that we need to do is to find a good entry point. And the trend line helps us a lot with that. The candlestick has already reached this level, so we bet down for 10 minutes and wait. And the last case of the day, here we see a triangle pattern on the 10 minutes time frame. The market has reached the trend line and keeps going down, aiming to break the level of support. Since 10 minutes is quite a long time frame, we choose an even longer expiration time, which is 15 minutes, and we place a bet down. And that's it for today.
A quick reminder, all my announcements and the analysis of my trading activity and also my trading signals can be found on my Telegram channel, so consider subscribing. I hope this video was useful for you. See you soon, stay safe and be in touch.